what we do know is that building permits are down 57% in construction thanks to this Sask Party government. Instead of kick-starting the Saskatchewan economy, the Sask Party has forced almost 7,000 hard-working construction workers out of employment, and so many right out of the province with their job-killing tax on construction labour, Mr. Speaker, in addition to their relentless outsourcing. And sadly, of course, we've lost so many of those workers from our province when they've been forced to move. We've proposed a Sask First procurement process to help undo some of that damage, create jobs, and put Saskatchewan workers first. Why won't the Sask Party bring a Sask First plan and ensure that Saskatchewan workers aren't left out when we build that power plant in Moose Jaw?
Hear, hear.